Hi everybody. We had a couple of customers in the shop the past couple of weeks or so asking questions about the Grail Geopress water filter and how it works, and specifically application wise, if I can call it like that. So I thought I'd make a quick video here just to explain a couple of things, actually just one thing in terms of the use of the Grail water filter system. There is various videos on YouTube showing you how it works, so there's no need for me to basically explain that. So I've added a little soft shackle on here, a twisted paracord, and it twists up on itself so it doesn't get caught or anything when it's there. So when you want to use it, you can open it up, for example, in the middle, put something through there and it closes in on itself. And then obviously when you're not in use, it stays like this, so it doesn't make a loop that gets stuck on stuff. So that's just an idea. If you like that idea and you want me to show you how to do that and explain how that works, let me know in the comment section and we can do so. So the basic idea of this video is, let me just get this out of here. So obviously it's a water filter, and the comment was made that it's a one-use system or item. So basically for filtering water, and that's it. So you can use it for filtering water, and then after that obviously drink out of the Grail. So there's your water filter. So just one point that I mentioned to the guys in the shop as well, the customers in the shop as well: you can always take the filter off, right? Make sure you store it in a place that keeps it sealed, especially if you're not gonna use it. So I just slam it in a Ziploc bag. Store it in your EDC gear or in your EDC pack for later use, and then you can take this and slip it back in there. Alright, there you go, sealed. And then you can use this as a normal water bottle. Yes, it's not going to keep your water cold, but you can fill this up with water, close it up, and use it as a normal daily drinking water bottle. And the moment you're not sure, doesn't rattle, the moment you're not sure if your water is safe or the source you're getting water for is safe, you can add the filter back in, squeeze it 8 seconds later. Again, you've got clean drinking water. So that's the idea. You can always use this as a plain and simple water bottle that you can take with you every day to work, to school, to outdoor activities, wherever you need to go, and you will have tap water in here. And then if you need to filter it, add the filter, squeeze it through, and off you go. So that is it, ladies and gents. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our video channel on YouTube if you like, and we'll see you out there.